Are you exhausted from trading your hours for dollars? Have you ever calculated how much of your life is
Number
tied to an
5,
hourly
create.
rate that caps your earning potential? The secret to true financial freedom isn't working harder, but rewiring how you think about income. Imagine being able to say with absolute confidence, I built a system that makes me money while I sleep. Today, we are diving into a goldmine of timeless business wisdom. We are breaking down 5 wealth-building principles from the classic book, 1,000 Ways to Make $1,000. This is a practical blueprint for escaping the rat race, automating your workflows, and generating passive income. Stick around until the end, because Principle 3 is the ultimate game changer. Before we get into those principles, let's look at a real-world story. Let's talk about the accidental automator. We will call him Alex. Alex was a highly skilled freelance developer caught in the gig economy trap. Every hour worked was an hour billed. If he got sick, he didn't get paid. He was working 12-hour days, burning out, and hitting a financial ceiling he just couldn't break. One day, Alex noticed a pattern. He was doing custom work for every client, but most of them struggled with the exact same workflow bottleneck. They were manually transferring leads from social media into their customer database. It was incredibly tedious, prone to human error, and wasting hours of their time. Initially, Alex offered to fix it for them, billing by the hour. But he realized he was still just trading time for money. He decided to try something radical. Instead of writing code immediately, he mapped out a concept for an automated plugin to solve this problem universally. He pitched this non-existent solution to his network. He said,
If I build a tool that does this instantly, for $50 a month, would you buy it?
he secured the market validation first, then finally sat down to write the code. By shifting from selling his time to selling a scalable solution, everything changed. He built the software once, but could sell it infinitely. He created a system that hummed along in the background. The gears were turning perfectly on their own. He escaped the freelance treadmill. Alex's breakthrough perfectly illustrates the 5 principles you need to master. Let's break them down. Number 1, every problem has a business
But
behind
finding
it.
a breakthrough.
The biggest mistake you can make is starting with a product idea instead of a problem. So many people spend months building what they think is the perfect product, only to launch to absolute silence. The foundation of a sustainable business is identifying a severe pain point people are actively trying to solve. You have to become a detective of human frustration. Where is there massive friction in daily workflows? People do not buy products, they buy solutions. Find the pain point first. Number 2, sell first, build later. This goes against tradition, but it is the secret to avoiding massive failure. Before you invest heavy amounts of time and capital into a digital asset, you must rigorously validate your idea. Attempt to sell it before it exists. Pitch the concept to your audience and ask for pre-orders. If you cannot convince people to give you money or a firm commitment for the idea, they will not buy the finished product. Build the demand first, then build the supply. Number 3, sell your expertise, not your time. As long as your income is tied to the hours you physically work, you will never achieve true financial leverage. There are only 24 hours in a day, giving your income a hard ceiling. To truly scale, sever the link between time and money. Focus on consultative services, automated digital products, or software. If you build a brilliant template for automating workflows, you can sell that exact same asset 10,000 times without doing any extra work. Stop renting out your hours and start building digital assets. Number 4, focus on repeat business. Constantly hunting for brand new customers takes massive amounts of time and budget. If you only have one-time buyers, you are running on a treadmill that never stops. True growth comes from building a loyal, recurring customer base. Collect contact information and provide consistent value. Design your business model to encourage recurring transactions. When customers pay you month after month, your baseline revenue becomes predictable and highly profitable. Number 5, create value and money will follow. Chasing money directly is the fastest way to drive it away. Money is simply a metric that proves you delivered tangible value to the marketplace. Shift your focus toward making people's lives significantly easier or more efficient. When you provide an automated system that saves a business owner 10 hours a week, they will gladly pay a premium. Obsess over your customer success. When you consistently put immense value into the world, the market rewards you. Look at your current projects. Which of these 5 principles are you ignoring, and which one will you apply today? Are you going to finally stop trading your time for money? Are you going to validate that idea you have been sitting on? The conveyor belt of your business is waiting to be built. You just have to put the right gears in place. Let me know your biggest bottleneck in the comments below. If you want to build systems that work so you do not have to, hit that subscribe button. Get out there, start building your automated machine, and I will see you in the next video.